If you own a car and you fear your car will get stolen, then this video is for you. If you have a fleet and you want to know where each unit is, then this video is for you. If you want to know where your driver, your salesman, or your staff takes your car, then this video is for you. What is Sino Track? It is a tracking device that you install in your car. It shows you the exact location of your car now, be it stationary or moving. If you have 2 or more cars, it will show you the exact location of all your cars, stationary or moving. In this example, Tracker 2 and Tracker 5 are traveling the same direction. If you hit the replay button, you will see the exact date, the exact time, and the exact speed. You will see the exact location on the map. Your staff may say he was late because of traffic, but your Sino Track reveals he was mall hopping. The app offers various reports like travel report, parking report, mileage report. The device requires a SIM card to operate and a minimal load of 1 peso per month to avoid SIM card deactivation. The cell phone requires Wi-Fi or data to run the apps. After you buy the Sino Track ST901 device, there's a few steps before you get started. Download the Sino Track PRO app on Google Play Store. Sync the device to your cell phone apps. Your username is the device ID number. The password is 123456. Insert SIM card into the device. Return the top cover and screw tightly. Power the device. The red wire goes to the positive terminal. The black wire goes to the negative terminal. The orange wire goes to the ACC. It can also be put directly to the positive terminal. Call the SIM card in the device. It will hang up and reply an SMS to you of its longitude and latitude coordinates. APN configuration. Send this SMS to the SIM card in the tracker 8030000 APN. The APN for Globe TM is internet.globe.com.ph. For Smart, TNT, and Sun, it is Internet. Server configuration. Send this SMS to the SIM card in the tracker 8040000 space 45.112.204 0.245 space 8090. Mount the tracker in your car and you're good to go. You can now find your car if it gets stolen. You can now see the whereabouts of each and every fleet car. You can now see the whereabouts of your sales team, your staff, and your driver. You can now monitor the reason why your fuel consumption is getting high. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button. Please share this video if you found it helpful.